have completed the revision of all 4 lessons from Mathematics Part 1. Now let us solve on practice paper. Here question number 1A is choose the correct alternative for each of the following sub-questions, and it carries 4 marks. That means 1 mark for each question. Okay. Every question has 4 alternatives, and from these 4 alternatives we have to select one correct alternative. Okay. So here the first question is, for simultaneous equations in x and y, if dx is equal to 27, dy is equal to 9 and d equal to 3, then find the value of y. Okay students, while writing this question number 1A, MCQ based question, no need to write these questions. Okay, we have to write only this sub question number and correct alternatives. Followed? Like question number 1A. Now here for sub question Roman numbers given. So while writing the solution, we also have to write a Roman number. So first, here the equations are in x and y variable, value of determinant dx and determinant dy and determinant d given. So here we have to apply Cramer's rule. Okay, we have to find the value of y. So according to Cramer's rule, y is equal to dy upon d. See student, this part we have to do roughly. Okay, here we have to write only correct option number, no need to simplify it, no need to write the solution, only sub question number and correct alternative number. Okay, so according to this formula, y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy is given 9 and value of d is given 3. So 9 divided by 3, 3, correct. So value of y is 3. So here in which option number of answer 3 is given? Option number D. That means for this first question, option number D is the correct answer. So here you have to write sub question number 1 and correct option number D. Enough. Only you have to do this. No need to write the solution, that you can do roughly. Okay. Now second question. Question number 2. You have to use Roman numbers only. One root of the quadratic equation x square minus mx minus 5 equal to 0 is 2. The equation is x square minus mx minus 5 equal to 0 and its one of the roots is 2. Find the value of n. Okay. Now here one of the root is given 2, that means that is the value of x, and that value we have to substitute here in this equation. Okay, so let's solve roughly. See, the equation is x square minus mx minus 5 equal to 0. You have to substitute x equal to 2. So x square means here 2 square minus m into 2 minus 5 equal to 0. 2 square is 4 minus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. Now you have 4 minus 5 minus 1 and take this minus 2m on this side. So we will get plus 2m. So 2m is equal to minus 1, therefore m is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So the value of m is minus 1 upon 2. Option number B. So here you have to write correct option number B. No need to write these answers also. Only write the option number. Follow? Now sub question number 3. For an AP, if T7 is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 4. Then what is the value of A? Now here T7 is given, that means the term of the AP is given. So we have to apply here nth term formula. I hope everyone learned the formula. So nth term formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T7 is given, so you have to substitute n is equal to 7. So here T7 equal to value of A we have to find out, plus bracket n minus 1, so 7 minus 1, and D is given minus 4, so put in bracket into minus 4. So T7 is given how much? 4. So write here 4. A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4. 4 is equal to A. Now plus into minus, minus. 6 4s are 24. Take minus 24 on this side, plus 24. So A is equal to 4 plus 24, which is equal to 28. So A is equal to 28. Option number D. So write here option number D. Then fourth one. If P of B means probability of event B is 1 upon 3. N of S is equal to 24. Then what is N of B? So we have to use the probability formula. Okay. Probability of event B is given. So according to formula, probability of event B is equal to N of B upon N of S. Probability of event B is equal to N of B upon N of S. This probability is given 1 upon 3 equal to N of B we have to find out. So write N of B as it is upon N of S. N of S is 24. We have to find N of B. So this 24 we have to take on left hand side. So N of B is equal to 24 upon 3. Correct? So divide 24 by 3. 3 8s are 24. So answer is 8. Option number B. Followed? So on answer sheet, you have to write only sub question number and correct option number. This way. This solution part you can do roughly. Followed? How to solve question number 1A, MCQ based question. Here each question carries